Hello YouTube! This week's feature is bringing us closer to the heart of Somerset, to the southwest of Taunton, to the town of Wellington. When I think of Wellington, I think of Wellington boots, salmon Wellington, or maybe beef Wellington. Well, you may be surprised to know that all these things have one thing in common with today's monument. Arthur Wellesley, who was the first Duke of Wellington, with the name coming from the town of Wellington, near the heart of Somerset. In fact, Wellington Monument, beef and salmon Wellington were all created in honour of Arthur Wellesley, who invented the Wellington boot. But I'm getting sidetracked, so let's get back on topic. So you would have thought that Arthur Wellesley would be most remembered for the 2 times he served as Prime Minister. But in fact, it was his efforts in the Napoleonic Wars that Wellington Monument was designed to commemorate the Duke of Wellington's victory against Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. So how did the monument come to be? Well, in 1815 it was proposed by a local landowner and started a public subscription to pay for it. Before long, over £1,000 had been raised and a competition was held for design ideas. A design was eventually settled on, which would consist of a 95-foot pillar surrounded by 3 cottages at the base to house old soldiers and caretakers, and construction started in 1817. By 1818 the monument was 47 foot high, but all the funding had been spent and another appeal was initiated to raise the funds for the monument, and raise the monument by a further 74 foot by 1820. Yet the monument suffered from a lightning strike in 1846 and was badly damaged, but it was not until after the death of the Duke that the monument was once again restored to its former glory, with a new design that would resemble the shape of the bayonet used by the Duke's armies, which gives it the shape that you see today, and raised the top of the monument by a further 5 foot, making it the tallest 3-sided obelisk in the world. At the front of the monument today you will find a cannon. There was originally a plan to site 24 cannons here that were captured from the French during the Battle of Waterloo. But due to the costing issues, they never reached the monument. There were 4 cannons that did make it to the monument in 1910, but they then had to be scrapped for the war efforts in World War II. The cannon that you see there today was put on the site and installed in 1984. I will delve into the history of Arthur Wellesley at another time, as there is too much to cram into this short video. Thank you for watching, and if you like our videos, please hit the like button, and to see more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.